Last night, you checked your bank account. For a second, you felt okay. Then it hit you. Rent, bills, next month. That quiet stress. It never really leaves. Morning hits. Same alarm. Same rush. Same cold coffee. 47 unread emails. Different day. Same pressure sitting in your chest. Look around. Nobody's panicking. Nobody's questioning. Because this doesn't feel like a trap. It feels like life. And then, for the first time, he heard it. Bold boy, you're not working. You're renting your life. Every month, they reset your life. You get paid. You pay everything back. And you start from zero. Again. That's not progress. That's a loop. Most people rely on a single income source, which means one break, one problem, can break everything. That's not income. That's control.
That's control. Be honest. What scares you isn't your job. It's the thought that 5 years from now, you'll still be right here. Different week. Same anxiety. Same invisible pressure. And slowly, it starts to feel normal. That's how the trap wins. And the worst part, most people don't even realize they're trapped. This is episode 1, The Salary Prison. Next, The Invisible Leak. Subscribe if you want to escape.